Let's take a peek at what we have going on here, the third week of the first quarter. So on Monday, we're going to be exploring and clicking around in the program called VMath Live, where we'll be completing most of our work for this coming school year. But after that, we're going to finally dig in and start working on some legit real math topics. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're going to be digging into fractions, understanding some basic operations with adding and subtracting, and we're going to start with like fractions, the easy ones, the ones that have the same denominator. Then we're going to figure out what we have to do if the fractions don't have the same denominator. Those are called unlike fractions, and how we're going to take a fraction and change how it looks. So by the end of the day on Thursday, you want to make sure that you've completed a CYU 1, which is Unit 1 Activities 1 through 4 in VMath Live. Let's jump down to the next slide to take a look at what those activities look like. So as you can see, the name of the game for this week is all about fractions. So we're going to start with some basic operations with fractions that have the same denominator. Those ones are easy peasy. Then whenever the fractions get a little bit more challenging, we know we're up to the task. We'll figure out how to create equivalent fractions, or fractions that mean the same thing mathematically but look a little bit different. This will basically allow us to create fractions that do have the same denominator, and then we'll get started with doing some operations with fractions that have different denominators or are unlike fractions. So if you have questions about these things, obviously you can see me, you can check out the tutorials in Transmath, but you should also be coming to live class if you can. If you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. Otherwise, hope to see you soon.